What up, YouTube, man? I'm about to upload this video right now. It's early in the morning. I had to just make another video for y'all so I can update y'all on everything with the Silver Bullet giveaway. We literally can go live like this Friday if I can get enough people to get in and grab these last few keychains. I cannot express it no other way. I done everything I could do. All the rims is complete. The paint is done. I gotta take the rims to the powder coat. I'm waiting on the frame doctor to finish with the frame, but everything is done, 100% complete. We got all the powder coated parts. We literally can find the winner this Friday. If I can get enough of y'all to get in and sell out, we might even literally sell out today. Literally, it's literally on y'all, man. That's what I'm telling y'all. Get in to win it right now. Grab you a sliding keychain or a sliding not hiding keychain for $25 right now on sale. We are literally down to like our last 7 sliding, not hiding keychains, man. I'm telling y'all, get in to win it. The faster y'all get in, the faster we can go live. Y'all gotta realize I almost got 10,000 subscribers, so it's literally waiting on y'all. I'm telling y'all, I can get enough of y'all to get in. We can go live this week, this Friday. That's what I'm telling y'all, get in to win it, man. We sliding, not hiding. Yes, sir, man. So we are back in the garage on the late night, y'all. As y'all seen, I don't know if y'all tapped into the video last night. I had uploaded my new video of the bike I just got delivered to me from Copart last night, man. Last night basically to y'all now watching this. So stay tuned, man. We about to have this thing riding and sliding. This thing is still dirty. We got this thing from Copart, man, literally with little to no damage, only the front end. I'm assuming the legs has been back a little bit because of space right here. But besides that, we got a new nozzle headlight. We got all this already inside the house, man. So stay tuned for that, y'all. We about to have this thing going and coming, man. I'm telling y'all, it's time to go up. But everything is looking good. The clutch still is engaging. The brakes are still working and good. So that's a plus. Like I said, we got 60,000 miles. The battery is still working. I haven't tried to start it. I literally haven't at all. So we about to try it in the next few minutes, man. So I'm trying to just gather it all up. We got the vents and highs on this joint. It's a twin cam 103. We got some Texas license plates, the bags. This whole back end is good. The only damage is really the front end. So as long as we take care of this, we're going to get that first ride real soon. But let's try to get that first startup, though. Okay, fuel pump. Fuel pump. We got it going. We got it going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got it going. Let's open up that garage. We don't want to be sitting in a gang of fumes. That's crazy. We got it going, man. I am amped up. This motherfucker started right up. I'm amped up, y'all. Y'all don't even know. I ain't gonna do the neighbors too crazy right now, but just know, man, we about to have it going. As long as we get them legs and all this other stuff, we getting that first ride real soon. So just know that, man, we about to have it going for sure. I'm amped up. I can't wait. That just blew my mind. Usually take me a hot little minute to get to this stage. That's what's so crazy. We're about to get to it, though. That's for sure, man. So stay tuned, man. I'm telling you, we're about to get the time lapse. We got to start breaking these parts down, laying it out, and getting it going from there. I got to start with that fender. Really, the blinkers, headlight, nacelle, fender, front wheel, all that good stuff. So we got to jack this thing up, get it off the tubes, get it in the air, and go from there. But like I said, man, let me know what y'all think, man. This thing is definitely coming together This thing is coming together real fast, I'm telling y'all. I'm just so glad it started up, so just that I know it's ready to go, man. We just gotta make it look good and put the pieces on this joint. But I'm telling y'all, it's all here for sure. That's why I'm so blown away with it. It's all here for sure. But yes, sir, man. We about to get to it. It ain't nothing but to do it, man. Sliding. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got a lot of work done on the new Roadking. I hope y'all tuning in and watching, man, because this thing is very interesting. I haven't done one of these year bikes in a minute, so I'm catching back up, but it's good. We got all the damaged parts off, so everything is turning out better than I thought. It's not as much damage as I thought, so that's a plus. So right now, we got it naked. We got the front wheel off. The nacelle, everything at the front end is off. Got the brakes I just took off. So this is the front rim. That thing took a large chunk. It took a good hit in the front. So I think the force of that rim cracking is what pushed these legs back to bend a little bit. So I can get a new set of legs, or I could take these to the guy that has the 2019 ROADGLIDE for the Silver Bullet giveaway. The frame doctor, he unbend the legs in the frame, so he could most likely straighten these out for me. I'm gonna give him a call in the morning and see if I can do that. That way I'll take them like that, or I'll strip the sliders off and drop them off to him like that, so we can get this thing on the way, because everything is good to go. Like I said, we got all the crash parts. I have everything new and good in the house besides the legs. So if he could tackle that for me this week, we'll have this bike ready to go back on the road this week, sliding, doing a full turnaround on this joint. Now, I'm not sure what direction I'm heading with this thing, but like I said, look how clean this bike is in the condition that it is, and it just came from the auction. Like I said, this is my first clean title bike from the Salvage auction yard, dude. It's unbelievable. I didn't even know you can get them like that, but we learn something new every single day, dude. But I can't wait to wash it tomorrow to see the paint. I don't know if y'all remember, to the people who really been tapped in and tuned in since I've been building bikes, this bike is the same bike that I did for that guy a minute ago from Victorville. He had the same exact Roadking, same color, same everything, same year, same motor size. I did the bars for him. I think I installed some 20s on his Roadking for him a minute ago. I think his name was Jason. If you're watching this, comment for me, Jason. Let me know, man. I remember this. So you had the same paint set, same Roadking, same 2013, same style bag, same everything. I just installed the bars for him. But we about to get this thing on the road, man. Y'all see what's going on. We are in the garage on a late night getting it going, man. But yeah, we got the blinkers, headlights off, the nacelle. I don't even think them were bent, the nacelle. I think it was only this and that front headlight piece right here, the ring, the actual headlight and the bezel. But we still got everything else looking good here. I got plenty of those front rims, but most likely I'm gonna use that black Talon 2019 over there. But yeah, we're gonna have this thing coming together, man. I'm about to finish trying to disassemble the rest of these parts. I'm gonna really get that front fender off, so tomorrow we can figure out the leg situation and then get a front rim back on there, get that test ride in. You already heard this joint start up, so y'all hear the motor and how good it sounds. So it's only a matter of time before we get everything on the road. I would love to get a D&D or I can't even think of the name. I can't even think of the other name. A Bazzani pipe, man, to put on this joint. But we're gonna get it going, man. Y'all see that Texas dirt on here sitting up. We're gonna get it cleaned up with that pig spit and all that good stuff this week, man. But stay tuned. Y'all see what's going on, man. We getting it done little by little. It's only been a few hours. Not even a few. It's only been literally an hour since this thing just got dropped off from the transporter. But like I said, we making it happen. Getting to it, y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. We are in the garage. Getting to it. So we went ahead and got the whole front end completely off, everything on the floor. We just took the front fender off. If you already know, the 2013s, I think it's all the front fenders though. This thing is hell. You gotta get these, cause they bend the edges on the boat so they can't back out, which is a smart thing. But taking this off is hell. So if you're doing that, what I use is a flathead, put it on a corner and get a hammer and bang it. Once you get that flathead in there, you just twist it. When you twist it, it's gonna unbend it. So that's how we got that off. We got everything coming together though, man. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna take these legs out with a screw after we get that phone call in from the frame doctor to let us know how he gonna handle this. And then from there, we'll know what we gotta do. If we gotta have him fix that or we gotta buy new legs. But most likely, he's gonna be able to unbend them because he told me he does it before. He do it so they can do it for me. But I can't wait, man. I'm super happy and I'm proud of exactly how it came. It's better than what I thought. So that's definitely a plus. But like I said, man, we getting it in, making it happen, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got this thing coming together. We're gonna be back at it in the morning. You already know what's going on, man. Make sure y'all enter the $5 handlebar giveaway. It's over in the next few days. On the 22nd is the last day. We're going live to find the winner. We're gonna have more than one winner, so make sure you get in to win it, man. Based off how many people get in to win it, I'm trying to give away at least 10 sets of handlebars to 10 different winners before Christmas, man. So if you're trying to enter the win for $5, go ahead and get you a SLIDN sticker in the description below. If you're a female, you can get it for your husband, your boyfriend, your dad, anybody. Even if you already got a set of bars, you can sell them, whatever, man. $5 you cannot lose, man. Get you a SLIDN sticker to enter to win that. And we are almost sold out with the with the silver bullet giveaway. We literally are down to the bottom of the keychains, man. That's why I say we can literally go live Christmas or New Year's. It's all on how y'all get in to win it. If I can get 2, 3 of y'all to literally grab a few keychains, we can sell out and go live and find the winner for the truck and the bike. Like I said, the rim's done, the paint done. I'm just waiting on the frame doctor to complete the bike, to bring it back to me. I got all the powder coated parts. I got half the paint set already here. So it's literally just waiting on the frame doctor. But like I said, it's only a matter of time before we have greatness and the whole bike is fully assembled with everything that needs to be on there. So like I said, get in to win it, man. $25 today in the description below. You already know, BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com, man. Get you a keychain to enter the win, man. We sliding, not hiding.